Okay, I gotta know. Do you have any hidden talents?
No, not really. Pretty normal. I'm a pretty normal guy.
He did have a hidden talent. He was just too scared to let her know.
Give me a second now. I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but during the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, yeah, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.